Hello everyone and welcome to the latest and probably last part of the Marino build series or Marino ordering process series, whatever I called this. Sorry this is taking so long to get out. I have put teaser images on Instagram over the past month or so. So yeah, this video is very delayed. What I'm going to do is going to drop into a photo bomb of the components. We'll then go into the costs. And then once we've done that, we'll show some of the test footage. So a lot of the parts that were shown were stock parts, so things that I happen to have lying around in the shed. Now, not everybody has that, but so we'll do two pricing. One, what this cost me to build, and now what we equated a fair used price to some of the components I just had lying around. So if you didn't have those same parts lying around, which probably don't, this is largely what it would have cost. So because I've been accused before of not pushing these Merinos through the most gnarly of terrain, I found the most gnarly of terrain I could find in Gloucestershire during the testing. We've done about 50 to 60 miles of downhill, pure downhill, not the pushing back up or level cycling, doing XC or anything else. This is a pure 60 miles of absolutely battering this downhill. Weirdly, not as expected, I actually got some personal bests according to Strava using this bike, which I was quite surprised about. I probably shouldn't have been. It is quite a quick bike, quite a quick build. But anyway, here is, I won't call them highlights, but clips of some of that downhill runs. Better. Oh, you didn't do it? That's cheating. hopefully that shows a good range of what we put the bike through. There's been no damage, and the bike has been very reliable in this spec during the time of testing. The only problem we had was one of the rear shock sensors wasn't working, the shock whiz, which I had to fix and then do a whole load of testing again. But other than that, and that's not really part of the bike, other than that, the whole thing's been working flawless. And that concludes this particular series. I think this bike will be coming up a few more times on the channel over the upcoming months. It's been a good bike, a good build, but obviously we always have new stuff coming, and we do end up with a bit of a rotation. So we'll see what happens with this one. But at the moment, really liking it. It's working well, very reliable, quick. What more could you ask for from a bike? And on that, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and all the usual stuff that gets me higher up in the rankings. Thank you.